short answer questions. Very short answer question. Each question weightage is 2 marks. In the chapter, according to book, 10 VSAQs are there. I discuss first VSAQ. I am going to discuss first VSAQ. The question is define inertia. Define inertia. Inertia is a property of body. Once again I repeat. Inertia is a property of body which opposes its own state, which opposes changes of its own state. I can explain example. A passenger sit in the moving bus. Okay, a bus driver suddenly apply the brakes. What happens to the passenger? Falls forward. Its meaning is a passenger in the moving bus, a passenger is in motion. Bus suddenly stop, but passenger continue its motion. It's look here. It is a property of body which opposes changes of its own state. Its meaning is a passenger is in motion, continue to be its motion. A passenger is at rest, continue to be rest. This property is called inertia. Inertia is a property of body which always opposes changes of its own state. Its meaning is, it's right in another way also. A body at rest, continue to be at rest. A body in uniform motion, continue to be uniform motion if external force acting on the body is zero. That is called inertia definition. Okay? This is right, perfectly to write. Inertia. What is the meaning of inertia? Inertia is a property of body which always opposes the changes of its own state. Okay? Next one. Here, for example, two passengers sitting in the bus. One is heavy personality passenger, another one is thin person. Okay, both the persons. Who is this heavily fallen? Bakkaga unnadu, heavily fallen. Simply, thin person, heavily fallen. Simply, its meaning is inertia depends upon the mass. What is the measure of inertia? Mass. Okay? Next, Nana, the question number 2. VSAQ number 2. First, to read question properly. According to Newton's third law, every force is accompanied by equal and opposite force. How can movement ever take place? Nana, question is, according to Newton's third law, action is possible, reaction is possible. How can movement takes place? How can movement takes place? According to question number 2, Newton's third law is nothing but the action and reaction. But action acts on one body, reaction acts on other body. Suppose a ball hits a wall. Ball says a action. Wall says a opposite reaction. Simply action and reaction acts on two different bodies, so it cannot be cancelled. So that's why motion is possible. Action and reaction acts on two different bodies, so motion is possible. Motion is possible. Third VSAQ, hold. Excellent. Third VSAQ is bullet is fired from a gun. The gun kick in the backward direction. Explain. For example, look here now. This is the gun bullet system now. Okay? Here, look here now. Gun bullet system. Total mass is mass of the bullet plus mass of the gun. Initially, gun bullet both are rest. After firing, here, this is the bullet. Bullet moves in the forward direction. Mass of bullet is mb. Velocity of bullet is vb. Mass of gun is mg. Velocity of gun is vg. Here, internal force acting because of trigger. Because of bullet moves. This is internal force. We apply law of conservation of linear momentum. Momentum before firing equal to momentum after firing. Okay? Momentum, mass into velocity. Velocity is 0. 0 into anything 0. Right side. After firing, mg vz bar here plus mb vb bar. Look here. Plus other side, what happens? Minus. Simply mg vz bar equal to mb vb bar. Plus other side, what happens? Minus. Simply this minus indicate gun and bullet both are in opposite direction. Gun and bullet both are in opposite direction. Bullet moves in the forward direction. Gun moves in the backward direction. Bullet moves in the forward direction. Gun moves in the backward direction. Simply to write one line. According to law of conservation of linear momentum, here bullet moves in the forward direction. Gun moves in the backward direction. This is called recoil velocity of the gun. Hold. Why does heavy rifle not recoil as strongly compared to light rifle using the same cartridges? Gun bullet system, we apply law of conservation of linear momentum. According to theory, momentum is a constant. Momentum definition, mass into velocity is constant. According to this situation, velocity inversely proportional to mass. Here, heavy rifle mass is more, velocity is less. That's why heavy rifle lightly recoil. Heavy rifle lightly recoil. Okay, because mass and velocity inversely proportional. Next, very important VSAQ, fifth VSAQ. In the situation, bomb or nucleus initially rest means initial velocity is 0. It explodes into two pieces. One piece mass is m1, second piece mass is m2, speed is v1, speed is v2. The pieces must travel in opposite direction. Explain. Once again I repeat the question. Here bomb explode into two pieces. These two pieces fly in opposite direction. Explain. Here bomb blasting because of internal forces. That's why we apply law of conservation of linear momentum. According to that theorem, momentum before explosion equal to momentum after explosion. Before explosion, mass into velocity 0. After explosion, m1 v1 bar plus m2 v2 bar. According to this situation, plus other side minus m2 v2 bar equal to plus other side minus m1 v1 bar. These two pieces, first second piece velocity v2, first piece velocity v1. This minus indicate two pieces fly in opposite direction. The simple answer, according to law of conservation of linear momentum. That answer to write easily to get 2 marks. Hold. The question number 6, Nana, very easy. Define force. What are the basic forces in nature, Nana? What are the basic forces in nature, Nana? Define force. Look here, Nana. Force is a physical quantity. Physical quantity. Look here, Nana. This body is here. Force is a physical quantity. Here, change the position of the body. It is heavy and cold. Try to change the position of the body. Simply, force is a physical quantity. Changes or try to change the position of the body. Force is a physical quantity. Changes or try to change the position of the body. Nana, basic forces are 3 types in the physics. Nana. First type is gravitational force. Second force is electromagnetic force. Third force is nuclear force. Once again, forces are basic forces in nature are 3 types. The first one is gravitational force. The second one is electromagnetic force. Third one is nuclear force. Nuclear force. Force is nothing but the physical quantity. Change or try to change the position of the body. Okay? Next question, Nana. The question number 7. Question first write, Nana. I write question. Can coefficient of friction be greater than 1? Can coefficient of friction be greater than 1? Answer. Generally, coefficient of friction denoted by mu. In the universe, all surfaces, all rough surfaces, mu value experimentally determined, its value is less than 1. But the question is, can coefficient of friction be greater than 1? If it is possible or not possible? If it is possible, only one case, Nana, that is heavily polished surfaces. Heavily polished surfaces, it is possible. Heavily polished surfaces, it is possible, Nana, because this surface is heavily polished. Polish means rubbing. Here atoms will be moving upward on the surface. Because of rubbing, it becomes a charge, Nana. This charge, two surfaces are there, Nana. Because of heavily rubbing, here electrons are out, for example. Here protons are out. Proton positive charge, electron negative charge, both are attracted and comes closer. Heat is generated. Because of heat, its meaning is friction is increases. Nana, can coefficient of friction greater than 1? Yes, sir. Possible or not possible? Can see yes, sir. It is possible in the case of heavily polished surfaces. In the case of heavily polished surfaces. The question number 8 now. Why does the car flattened tire stop sooner than air-filled tires? Here 2 tires is given. This is in our language. Here 2 tires are taken. Initially 2 tires have same size. Okay tire simple ga cheppalante. ఇది నాట్ పంచరింగ్ టైర్, ఇది పంచరింగ్ టైర్. ఇక్కడ పంచర్ పడడం వల్ల ఎయిర్ కమ్స్ అవుట్ నానా, ఎయిర్ కమ్స్ అవుట్. సో పంచరింగ్ టైం ఏమవుతుంది, చప్పగా అయిపోతుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఆక్యుపై మోర్ ఏరియా. వీ నో దట్ రోలింగ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ మెయిన్లీ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ కాంటాక్ట్. హియర్ flattened tire occupy more area, more friction. That's why flattened tire stop sooner. ఇదేమో అన్ఫ్లాటెడ్ టైర్, ఇదేమో ఫ్లాటెడ్ టైర్. సింప్లీ ఇది పంచర్ పడిన టైర్, ఇది పంచర్ పడిన టైర్. పంచర్ పడితే ఎయిర్ మొత్తం ఏమవుతుంది, కమ్స్ అవుట్. దానివల్ల ఇట్ ఆక్యుపై మోర్ ఏరియా. Area of contact increases. Flattened tire occupy more area, more friction. So that's why flattened tire stop sooner. Stop sooner. Hold. Horse cart ni pull chesetappudu initially to feel harder, but once the motion start, it easily move. Why? The question is, Nana, initially body at rest, frictional force is static friction. Once the motion start, once the motion start, the friction is kinetic friction or rolling friction. Experimentally determined is static friction greater than kinetic friction. Initially opposing force is more, so that's why horse to feel hard initially. Once the motion start, friction decreases, so easily to pull the cart. Do you understand? A horse initially hard to feel to pull the cart because static friction greater than kinetic friction. Last question today, Nana. The question number 10, Nana. The question number 10. Look here, Nana. In the question number 10, Nana, what happens to coefficient of friction if weight of the body is double? Nana, coefficient of friction denoted by mu, Nana. It's only depends upon the nature of roughness. Nature of roughness. Roughness more, coefficient of friction is more. Roughness less, coefficient of friction is less. Simply, coefficient of friction depends only nature of the roughness. It does not depends upon the weight of the body. Weight of the body double or triple or increases 5 times, coefficient of friction does not change. Once again I repeat the question. What happens to the coefficient of friction if weight of the body is double? Weight of the body is double or triple or 5 times or 10 times, any times to increase, coefficient of friction is constant, because coefficient of friction only depends upon the nature of roughness, not depends upon the mass of the body. I complete. PSA English 10 nano. Okay, I sent PDF also. Please revise.